Ronen, is you are within a company that is dealing with specifically compliance solutions. What do you see as the next big thing within your industry? Because we hear a lot about technologies around big data, about predictive analysis, about automated learning, artificial intelligence. Is it really those technologies that are making it in your space?
Yeah, big data is one of them. I'll touch upon three. The first one is cloud computing. As I said, we are building our product based on the cloud. The cloud has been out there for many, many years. Some industries have been using the cloud for ages. CRM is nowadays mostly over the cloud. In regulatory reporting, it's only starting. We see some resistance from the larger organizations, but we also see some good tailwind coming even from the regulators. So the FCA, the UK regulator, has recently published a paper to say that they see no reason why regulatory reporting could not be done over the public cloud. So I'm expecting more and more adoption of cloud computing in regulatory reporting space. That's the first one. The second one is blockchain. I'll mention blockchain because otherwise I wouldn't be sitting here in this panel. But we also think that the blockchain itself lends itself nicely towards regulatory reporting, standardizing the formats, the fact that if you take EMIR reporting, for instance, it's dual-sided reporting, so you can actually close a block only if you have two sides reported, etc., etc. So we believe that that's a very interesting infrastructure for our space, but as my colleague said beforehand, it also requires big adoption, critical mass from the industry. You cannot have two companies doing blockchain between themselves and the rest of the industry is reporting separately, right? So that's a big challenge. And note on that, I've witnessed the FIX, this is 15 years ago or 10 years ago, FIX protocol coming into play in the actual trading industry and standardizing what seemed to be, the impossible, getting all the banks, all the traders to use one protocol. I do believe that blockchain could be that one, but the industry has to come along together and create a, fixed community or the blockchain community and standardize it. The third one is big data. Regulatory reporting is huge data, huge amount of data being reported every day. With algo trading, there is much more trading being done in the market, and as a result, many more trades are being reported every day to the trade repositories. On top of that, the regulators themselves are asking the reporting firms to report many, many more fields for each one of those trades. So, if you look at MiFID, when it started 2007, companies were asked to report about 20 fields per each trade. When EMIR was launched in 2014, it now grew to 80 fields per each trade, and with MiFID 2 starting in January 2018, it will be over 100 fields per each trade. So if you think about more trades and more fields per trade, and more type of transactions that the regulator is asking you to report because they want to ensure best execution, and as a result, they are now asking companies to report amendments to prices, cancels, corrections, not even actual trades. All of that together is a huge amount of data, and certainly big data, technologies, artificial intelligence, NoSQL databasing, all of those, some of them we're already doing ourselves, some of them I'm anticipating that the industry will get into.
Okay, thank you very much.